Well, we made a video a few days ago about the purple BRZ, capped at only 500 units, but we didn't have a special first look of the vehicle yet. Well, it's already been released. I'm going to share with you guys the pictures. We're going to go over the interior and how the car looks because I think the paint job looks pretty cool. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Javi here bringing you another auto tech news. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to tune in and subscribe and smash that thumbs up for your boy. We on the road to 15,000 subscribers. So what is going on, guys? The 2025 BRC, it's called Galaxy Purple. I thought it was going to be like purple pearl color, whatever. It's actually called Galaxy Purple. So there are a few things that I covered in the previous video. You could go back maybe like 2 days ago and check it out, but there are a few things that I covered, but we discovered a few new ones also. So the purple colorway is officially here, is capped at 500 units, and it's coming to dealers near you in the very near future. We have the exact date. So what are some of the things that are going to come with this vehicle? Well, we're looking at this picture here. This is a 6-speed transmission, 6-speed manual, and it's going to have the short throw shifter from the STI. Now we have a picture of the interior here. We can see the bucket seats look very comfortable. There's a lot of holsters that could hold you down. We see some leather on the side with that black and white accent. It looks pretty cool, and it matches the shift knob also. Now, what are some other things that you're going to get on this vehicle? Well, it's going to be powered by the 2.4 liter naturally aspirated engine. It's going to have the STI short shifter. It's going to have a flexible V-bar that you can see it right on top when you open the hood. Now, what is the MSRP on this vehicle? Well, the MSRP on this vehicle is going to be $35,445, and it's set to hit the dealers by next year. So the article says the Subaru BRZ lineup is getting a touch of exclusively by 2025 as the brand announces a special edition dubbed the Serious Purple, which is obviously the Galaxy Purple colorway, and unveiled at the SubiFest October 19th in Texas. This limited run will be capped at just 500, and as the name implies, the showpiece here is called Galaxy Purple Pearl Paint. A complimentary black badging is also in it, and it gives it a different contrast, which actually looks pretty cool. Unique 18-inch wheels, which feature a new satin silver finish. That's actually pretty cool. The upgrades on the inside for the front seats are black ultra suede upholstery with a contrast of gray leather bolsters. They are joined by a gray contrast stitching and the red STI start button and the aluminum shift knob. Since the special edition is based on the limited trends, buyers should also find a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch infotainment system. One thing I do like about this BRC is that their infotainment, it's actually pretty big, because to me, for being a small car, having an 8-inch infotainment is pretty cool. Other highlights include a premium auto system, a dual zone automatic climate control, and heated front seats. If you're not in a state like here in Florida, I'm in Florida, you don't need heated front seats. A lot of these companies nowadays have been like promoting that like that's such a big thing. Honda's one of those. This new Civic Si is getting heated front seats. To me, it's not such a big thing. Well, the power is provided by a 2.4 liter naturally aspirated that makes 228 and 184 torque with the 6-speed manual. Now, you are going to find the usual limited slip differential, which comes on almost every BRC or almost every BRC. And the tires that are coming with this bad boys are the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 summer tires. I think I'm a big enthusiast that we should all be running summer tires. These all-weather tires for some states that you don't need it are a lot more expensive, but that would probably be a whole nother video. So the 2025 BRC is set to arrive at the USA with a pricing of $35,445, which is up $1,700 of premium over the limited trim that was priced at $33,000. Now, there's obviously some consideration on why that's going up. So let's look at some of these pictures here. This one we have here, it's in front of some planes, like kind of like in an airport, and it's kind of drifting. I do love the color. We can see here a picture of the back where you see the badging, that purple color, that Galaxy Purple color. To me, I really like it. We can see the wheels here. There's obviously no upgrades when it comes to the caliper. I would have liked to see maybe an upgraded caliper. I don't know, maybe Brembo, but it definitely would have skyrocketed the price. But maybe some Brembos on it could probably would definitely be nice. We see the shift knob here picture. We're putting it back and we can see the STI. We obviously see the silver stitching on it. This car looks very good. I think Subaru did a very good job with this vehicle. We see the back part here. It just looks like your normal BRZ, but you are going to have that limited run of 500 capped with a special color. Now, again, as I repeat the question to you, you think dealers are going to mark up this vehicle for only being capped at 500 and having this special color? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys are liking the content, remember to tune in and subscribe for the next video. Smash that thumbs up. Your boy's on the road to 15,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys on the next one.